Ever pondered on the possibility of constructing a space elevator on the moon? Sounds like a scene straight out of a science fiction novel, right? This concept, while seemingly fantastical, is actually a topic of serious discussion among the scientific community. Imagine an elevator not dissimilar from the ones you use every day, but this one shoots straight up into the cosmos. It operates on the same basic principles as an Earth elevator, but with a few extraterrestrial tweaks. The idea of a space elevator was first floated in Arthur C. Clarke's novel, The Fountains of Paradise. Clarke painted a vivid picture of a megastructure extending from Earth to space, making the concept of space travel as mundane as catching an elevator to the top floor of a high-rise. So, yes, a moon elevator isn't just an author's wild imagination, but a concept that scientists and engineers are seriously considering. Now, building an elevator to the moon isn't as easy as assembling an IKEA bookshelf. There are some hefty challenges to overcome. First off, we have the moon's lower gravity. It's just a sixth of Earth's, which might sound like a boon, but is actually a bane. It makes anchoring the elevator base to the moon's surface a bit like trying to secure a tent in a gale. We need an anchor that's sturdy, yet not too heavy, and that's a tall order. Then, we have the issue of the elevator cable. This isn't your standard steel cable we're talking about. We need a material that's super strong, incredibly lightweight, and able to withstand the harsh conditions of space. Enter carbon nanotubes and graphene, two materials that are up to the task. They're stronger than steel and lighter than a feather, making them ideal candidates. But there's a catch. We're still figuring out how to manufacture them in large quantities. And let's not forget about cosmic radiation. It's a silent, invisible threat that could potentially damage the elevator and its occupants. One potential solution is to use radiation shielding techniques like water walls or magnetic fields. But these methods are still in the experimental stage. So while we might not have all the pieces of the puzzle just yet, we're certainly not short of ideas on how to tackle these challenges. So if we manage to overcome these challenges, what does the future look like with a space elevator on the moon? Well, let's imagine. Picture a world where lunar exploration becomes as simple as stepping into an elevator, pressing a button, and standing back as you ascend to the stars. No more rocket launches, no more astronomical costs, just a serene ride up the space elevator. The moon could become our cosmic doorstep, a gateway to the rest of the universe. It could be the launch pad for missions to Mars, Jupiter, even to the far reaches of our galaxy. And it's not just about exploration. Think about the economic and scientific impacts. Industries could be built around lunar travel and research. New technologies could be developed. Entire fields of science could be revolutionized. The possibilities are as infinite as the universe itself. It's exciting to think that one day, we might just be able to catch an elevator ride straight to the moon. So, there you have it. The concept of a moon elevator is not as far-fetched as it might initially seem. We've delved into the realm of lunar elevators, dissected the challenges that would make this a Herculean task, and envisioned a future where commuting to the moon is as common as catching a subway. And who knows, if we do manage to build a space elevator on the moon, lunar real estate might just become the next big thing. Moonview Apartments, anyone?